everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. How are all my owlettes doing? I hope you're well. I got a question or a suggestion on, I don't know where it was now, I can't find it. It has to do with the tutorial I put up yesterday for this top. They asked if I could show pictures of myself wearing it. So I thought I'll just do a video. They wanted to know how it lays on the body, I guess on a real body rather than my mannequin Peggy. So I decided instead of pictures I'll just do a video. So this is the one that I worked up in the tutorial, the actual tutorial, and then I have another one that I made. It's the same design, but I did it in a cotton yarn. This one I guess is, I don't know, I think it's acrylic. But anyway, I made this one a little bit bigger just by going up hook sizes because it is acrylic, so it you know, so it'll be a little cooler in the summer. And I'm just wearing a cami under it, very lightweight cami. So let me just move this a little so you can maybe see my face if you want. So this is how it lays on my body. That's the back. And someone was also mentioning that they like long sleeves or 3/4 length sleeves. So what you could do is you just go around the sleeve, you put the same stitches, put the same stitch into this stitch, like the fan, and just go all the way around, and then when you have the other ones, a little 3 double crochets together, you can put those stitches in these stitches, and you just keep making rows around. And if you want your sleeve to get a little tighter as you go down, you can go down hook sizes, you know, after a few rows, just change your hook size. And you can make 3/4 length sleeves or long sleeves if you want. So I hope that helps. I did answer your question about sleeves. But yeah, a lot of my designs you can do that. You can just make long sleeves if you like. So anyway, this is how this looks on moi. So if I made it tighter, it'd look like that. But yeah, it's just bigger hook sizes that I used to make it more flowy, to let the air in, you know, in the summertime. I guess it'd be okay, like on a cooler summer night. Yeah. Okay, so let me put on the cotton one. All right, so this is the green one. This is how it lays on me. Yeah, I went up hook sizes as well on this to, you know, give it a little bit of a flare at the bottom, a little bit looser, but this one is 100% cotton. In the tutorial, of course, I tell you what yarns I've used and hook sizes and everything. But yeah, I love how this one goes. This is Hobie yarn. I love it how it goes, you know, the lighter green. It's not too light of a green, and then it goes into darker greens. It actually goes into black, but I didn't get to the black part on the skein. And I had doubled the yarn because they're so thin. But yeah, this is how it turned out. This is the back. Yeah, so this is how it looks on a human body. Definitely I'll link the tutorial below. And if there's any more questions, feel free to ask. I'm trying to catch up on some of the comments today. I have another tutorial in the works for another top. Yes, always. Not always a top. Well, I do a lot of tops, but always a tutorial in the works. But yeah, I really love, I just love how this one turned out. I do. It's got this stitch, different stitch there, different stitch here, and then you got the these stitches are also on the shoulder and down the middle of the back. So yeah, it made one piece. I just love one piece. And I had asked that question on one of my videos. Do you guys like one piece or panels? A lot of you said one piece. So I do too. I love to work in the round. You start up here and you work in the round, and I love it when I love working in the round, and the reason is because you work the front and the back at the same time. You don't have to make separate panels, but I do patterns that have separate panels. I know I've got one on my channel at least, but other people's I will do this 2 separate panels and then sew them together. Yeah, because I love making other people's designs too, not just my own. You know what I mean? I'm here to support. We're all here to support one another. We're all in this thing together, right, guys? All right, so I hope this helps helps everyone who is wondering and asking, and yeah. All right, you guys. Watch for a giveaway video this week. Yeah. All right. See you later. Bye.